If you trade a small account of $10, $200 or maybe $300 and you keep blowing your account time and time again, the problem may actually not be because you don't know how to trade. The problem may most likely be a result of poor risk management. The truth is, if you trade $5 to $100 accounts, it will be difficult calculating your risk per trade using the position size calculator. The effect of this on your account is random stop loss value in cash. Let me simplify this. When you enter a trade, your stop loss value may be $4 while your take profit may be $8. That's a 2-to-1 reward to risk ratio right there, right? And this is heavily dependent on how tight your stop loss is. The next time you place a trade, you may find yourself risking even more, maybe $5 and then $7 the next time. If your risk management is inconsistent, you just need a few losses to wipe out all your many wins, and that sucks big time, yeah? In this video, I'll be showing you how to be in control of your small account by risking exactly what you are willing to risk per trade, even if your account size is just $10. If you've made it this far, tell me, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, like and share this video, and mind you, I'm coming for your stop losses if you don't. Thanks guys, now let's get back to the video. I'm sure you've probably heard of cent accounts and you're probably like, nah, not for me. To be honest bro, except you're trying to gamble. If you trade a small account, you should be trading in cents because that is the only way you can decide exactly how much of your $10 or $20 account you are willing to risk per trade. Now, 100 cents equals $1, right? And $10 equals 1,000 cents. So now, just look at your 1,000 cents the way you will look at $1,000. Bro, forget about the value and focus on the figure. With $1,000 account, you can decide exactly how much you want to risk per trade. Maybe $10, maybe $50, maybe $100 per trade, right? Same applies with 1,000 cents account. For example, if you have a $10 account and your intention is to risk $2 per trade, which is 20% of the account, you can't do that effectively on a standard account, as you can see. But if you have 1,000 cents, which is $10, you can afford to do that by consistently risking 20%, which is 200 cents per trade. Personally, I mostly risk 3% per trade, but my account is not in cents though. It is a large account, like you already know if you've been following me for quite some time now. But I completely understand if you want to risk bigger since it is a very small account. It all depends on your risk appetite. Now, let's say you get your cent account funded with $10, which will reflect in your account as 1,000 cents. You need a position size calculator for you to be able to risk consistent amounts per trade. Now, let me show you what I'm talking about. If you've never used a position size calculator before, just go to Google and type position size calculator. There are lots of them on the internet. You can see different websites offering the same position size calculator. So let's go with this first option on our list here, which is on Baby Pips. This is what the position size calculator looks like. Remember, we're talking about an account size of like $10 or $100 or $200 or $300, depending on your choice to convert that into a cent account. Now, the point I'm trying to make here is you need to choose your account currency, right? So we are going to choose the US dollar, right? Remember, your account is in cents, but don't worry. Then your account balance. So let's say you have a $10 account which you've converted into cents. So now you are having 1,000 cents because $10 equals 1,000 cents. And if it's $100, that will be 10,000 cents, right? But now let's take $10 as a case study here. So $10, 1,000 cents. So we are going to put the 1,000 here. Then here you enter the risk you are willing to take on that trade. So let's say you want to risk 5% of your account. You just put 5% there. Then you select the currency pair, which is Euro USD. So let's look for a stop loss. So let's just assume we want to sell Euro USD, right? And our stop loss value is let me put this mark here. So our stop loss value is 1.07849. 1.07849, right? Then the currency is Euro USD. So all we need to do is to click calculate. Now you can see that it has calculated the lot size for us. So yes, you can go ahead and use the same lot size that they gave you as a standard lot on your cent account. All right. And if you trade this way, you'll be able to gauge how much you are willing to risk per trade. If you want to risk 1%, you can do that. If you want to risk 5%, you can do that. And if you want to risk 20%, you can do absolutely that. I recommend opening a Cent account with Xness. The link will be in the description of this video down below. They are reliable and one of the best in the industry. Use the link in the description of this video below to open an account with them. I'll get paid a bonus if you do so. So let's take a look at how their Cent account works. You go to their website, you can search for the information, but I'll just leave this link to this particular page in the description down below. Come to this area to read more about how they work. But what I'm interested in is to show you the instruments that can be traded on a Cent account. You can see AUD with these different AUD pairs, then CAD JPY, this, then Euro pairs, all of this, then GBP pairs, NZD pairs, and so on and so forth. Then another point to take note of is which country is the standard Cent account available in. So now the standard Cent account is only available to people in Latin America, Asia, Africa, whatever this is, Euro Asia, I don't know, but you can see the list of countries here, and then Arab, which is Turkey, Egypt, and so on and so forth. The link to this particular page will be in the description of this video down below, so just click it and it will bring you here. You may also be wondering why these account currencies are showing in USC, EUC, GBC, and so on and so forth, right? So remember, it's a Cent account, so US cent, Euro cent, Great Britain cent, right? And so on and so forth. So the C actually represents cents since it is a Cent account. Now, this is their website proper. You can see the actual standard account, then you can see the standard Cent account. So all the information you need is on the website. Just click the link in the description of this video down below and it will bring you to their page. In conclusion, if you already practice all the stuff I've mentioned in this video and you still blow accounts over and over again, then you need our mentorship program. Just visit www.letstrade10x.com for more information on that. Thanks for staying to the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Watch this video up here if you want to see the position size calculator that I actually use to place my trades. Bye, guys.